And plans to start exploitation of crude oil are back on course, with Kenya likely to start crude oil exports next year. This is after Auron Energy Limited has agreed to purchase Tullow Kenya interests in a $120 million deal, which is about 15.6 billion shillings. Tullow Acting Chief Executive Officer Richard Miller says they discovered 463 million barrels of crude oil resources in the South Lokichar Basin in Kenya are progressing towards development.
The finalization of the purchase agreement between Tullow Oil and Auron Energy Limited now paves the way for the field development plan for the South Lokichar Basin that is currently pending approval. The parties in the deal project that Kenya could start crude oil production and exports next year. Kenya is projected to produce between 60,000 and 100,000 barrels per day, initially from the estimated 560 million barrels recoverable over a period of 25 years. So far, Tullow Oil says it had discovered an estimated 463 million barrels of 2C resources. Auron Energy will control several oil and gas discoveries that have been made in the Lamu Basin, both onshore and offshore, as well as Baringo. Crude oil production and exports in Kenya has stalled for years after Tullow Oil failed to secure partners to invest in a major heated crude oil pipeline for ferrying the crude to the coast for shipment. Tullow Oil has since 2011 undertaken exploration and appraisal of the crude oil assets in Kenya as part of its long-term development objective. Alan Auko, Prime Edition.